Well, you worked on this SOPs. Please, please tell me any issues you are facing during your practice. Hello, Iqbal. Can you unmute and speak?
Hello.
Yeah, Iqbal.
Hello. Sorry.
Yeah. I'm asking you. So, any issues you are facing during practice?
Yeah, I do the practice for
Yeah.
standard planning.
Okay.
It's fine,
Uh-huh.
and flexible planning I just do. And there is somewhere I just before hierarchy
Uh.
I just completed.
So SOPs you
Then
are okay, right? SOP is okay.
SOP okay, but this flexible planning is not completed.
Okay. Where you struck?
Hierarchy. Last time also we are also in the class stuck on hierarchy. Na?
Uh-huh.
Then
So hierarchy level you try if how the support of the system is now maybe okay. Just during the hierarchy creation you need to add uh, it's based on the hierarchies, right? There is a sales organization, the sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Then again, if division is there, division is added to the material, any materials. Then there is a proportionate factor to be divided. Okay. So once that is done, then same as SOP only. So before that, planning type to be you have to define as a from Z, correct? Z and give any names. Calculate proportionate, planning table, copy planning version, transfer. So these are what are these? Are the main thing is to demand, right? Where required the demand before the planning. That means there's planning activity to be do. So we need to know in the shop floor whatever the components we need to, how much component to be produced, right? Based on the month or weekly or yearly planning. So this is again linking the further classes to PIR. Okay, these are the SOPs. So once SOP is done, we need to go for the demand creation to the next topic is demand management. That is so this is one part of the SOP from the automatic one. Okay, so manually also we can upload the demand and almost all industries nowadays going for demanding the upload, and if required they go for the customizing. Okay, customizing means ZMD MD61 is the key code for the demand upload. What's the demand upload, how we can do? So we just overlook on the demand management today. Fine. I'm sharing my screen. Oh, present screen. I You're seeing my screen.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So demand management. So SOP, after SOP, sales operation planning. Once the demand is get, that is link or that is feeding to the MD61 P code. Okay. Same further planning to be takes place. So either SOP, if SOP is not using, then how the system is giving the uh, demand upload by the T code MD61. So we'll just check what is demand. Okay. So demand management. Okay. So demand management is how it is linked with we can do for the manual entries, SOPs, SOP production plan, material forecast, or copying by another. Some plan research kind, some companies are using demand uploading or demand planning through plan research as well. There are so many third party softwares is available to link with this demand planning. Okay. The function of the demand planning to determine the requirement quantities, how much quantity to be produced for the future, right? From the so you are anticipating the demand here. So when this is demand is ready, this demand is feeding to the further MPS or MRP. Same couple of points we discussed in the last class. So there is the two things. One is demand is we called as planned independent requirement, that is PIR, and the same another one is the sales CIR, customer requirement, independent requirement. Okay, demand management is it is a link actually. It is between the top level requirements. The some of the planning, right? SOP is there, material forecast. Okay. So the thing is, we need to go for the automatically by the system, by the SAP. So before MRP, we need to give the demand. We have to anticipate the demand. So yes, planned independent and the customer independent requirement. Here, so planned independent requirement is like the forecast demand from the sales order or the previous, that is historical data. From the historical data, the demand going to plan. For example, the automobile sectors, how they are plan the future data. For example, past 6 month data they're going to take, else the last year the same time there may be the change, but anyway the forecast is helpful from taking that, and the mean value they will go for the forecast. Okay, that is one the base thing for the PIR. So plan independent requirement may come from the following sources. That's we understood the last slide only. Then customer independent is sales order, sales demand. Okay. So these demands are we can further divide it into make to stock and make to order strategies. The strategies is divided or this can be uh, defined as a two-digit numbers, numeric numbers. Okay, that we see in the few minutes. So the demand to create the demand program, the planning strategy is come into picture. Okay, there are the hundreds of demand the planning strategies available in the SAPs. So we'll find out very widely used and very frequently used industries planning strategies. These planning strategies uh, are triggered by the sales order. If sales order triggered, that we called as a make to order production. Okay, the customer wait till the sales order comes, or the customer give the sales order, then the industries give the delivery that their as per their requirements. So mainly it is triggered based on the SOs that we call the sales order. Another one is make to stock, where not required or not waiting to customer orders to come. So keep on producing, and once the sales order come or once the demand is comes, so based on that from the warehouse, delivery going to take place. So planning strategies represent the business procedure of the planning, production quantities, and the date is the one of the range, and the wide range of the production planning strategies. So what does it mean? See, so there are the strategies why this defined as make to stock and the make to order, and there is a PIR, and another one is yes, CIR, customer requirement. Okay. So there are the requirement types is there during the planning strategies. So what is this requirement types is, so there is a configuration made if there is a make to order 10 is there. The see in my system you can see here a couple of strategies we wrote. 10 is pure make to order strategy, make to stock. Sorry, it is make to stock strategy 10, and 11 is gross requirement planning. 40 is planning with final assembly. So in the industry, this is widely used strategies, okay, for the planning or for the uh, further planning of the components. So I told you there is a requirement times come into picture. What is this means? It is including both the PIR and the CIR, customer requirement. The system designated as LSF and the KSL. If LSF comes means that is pure make to stock, and KSL is there means it is customer requirement. So I will show you the system so that you can
SAP,
understand
SAP
terminologies.
version.
Yeah. Okay. So make to order means there are the two important we will discuss. That is 20 for the pure make to order and 50 for planning with the final assembly. Uh, in the screen I can show you. So planning strategies is done. Okay. So see in the screen you are seeing that there is a screen in MRP three views. Okay, we seen some of the important views in SAP PP. One is basic data 192 and the MRP views kind first 1 to 4 and work scheduling views. Okay, in that now you are in MRP 3 view. This is MRP 3 view. So the strategy is defined here. Okay, that is here defined. This is the strategy. The 10 means make to stock strategy. If you not define, the planning will not take place. If you're going for the manual production order creation, then no issue. If you go for automatic, the strategy to be defined very importantly. So this is what the screen's telling. So this is make to stock production, producing the or manufacturing the product, keep it in the warehouse. Okay, in a simple word, this is a make to stock. Uh, and once the sales order comes, the what wherever from the warehouse delivery will take place. Okay, in make to stock production. Yeah, some of the important make to stock strategies are in the system. Very important one only we mentioned. I told you there are the hundreds, more than hundreds of strategies. One is this is pure make to stock or net requirement planning. Also, we called for the 10 gross requirement for plan 11. These are the two digits. This is what two digits. Okay, planning strategies. And production by lot size is 30, planning with final assembly 40, planning at assembly level 70, planning with phantom assembly. See, it is all defined based on the business, okay, business requirement. The strategies can be defined. So,
It may be changed by industry.
yeah,
Industry type.
yeah, multiple strategies they can use also. Okay, based on their requirement, based on the production, based on the market, how they are getting. For example, if you go for the continue production, correct? So then this is make to stock, correct? If, for example, cement manufacturing, no need to wait for till the sales order comes, right? They are continually producing. So then they go for the 11 actually, gross requirement planning. Okay. So some companies go for the make to stock, that is 10. And make to order means make to order scenario where it is not it is purely based on the customer demands, customer defects. If the customer comes, then the production process is going to take place. Okay, It's purely based on the sales order only. The delivery will take place based on the sale order. Okay. Uh, and that net requirement calculation is nothing but what is the requirement came and what is the available. That is the difference between we called as in a make to order, a make to stock scenario. So net requirement calculation, there we use that. And here the some of the important make to orders are make 20, planning with final assembly 50 and 52 also, and sub-assembly planning 74, planning with planning material 60. So what we do, we will understand how the strategies behaves in a system. So strategy 10. See, now the thing is, we understood what are all the material master to be created, correct? So, material master to be available. Once the material is created, then bomb to be created in the system. When bombs is available, routing to be created. Routing is a link with BOM, bomb, and work center. So these are the and production version. If required, production version also we can create. Once the master data is available, for example, you are manufacturing uh, car, okay, or some cycle you are manufacturing. For that, you need a material created in system. BOM is ready, production version is ready, and routing is ready. Then the planning is going to take place. How to upload the planning? That is from the T code MD61. Okay. So MD61 for the create the planning, MD62 for the change, and MD63 for display for the PIR. So demand, PIR, so all are the same words. Okay. PIR is nothing but planned independent requirement. And so we understood this, and I will show you in the system. And before going, uh, at least we try to cover make to stock 10 and 11 today. Okay. So once the planning is done, once the master data is ready, planning you can see in another T code is there, MD04, that we called as stock requirement list. Your requirement can you see in this T code. That means you created the demand from the MD61. We can see this. This is a kind of the report where we can check. It is actually dynamic way because any planning going to update in this T code. Okay, requirement
Yeah,
data.
after SOP also we check
SOP
where
also
it's
we can see in
uploaded
MD0.
or not.
Yes, exactly. So once the MD04, you can get the demand. There we called as the that is a requirement, right? We are getting the planned order actually. Am I right? So PLANNED, we getting the planned order. This planned order we need to convert it into production order. Okay. Then I will show you in the next how it will work. So next MRP also there. We detail discuss about MRP. So before that, we are in this demand, how it will work. Once the demand is uploaded, MRP will convert the demand that's requirement going to generate. Then you're going to do the production executions, right? So these all are the planning parts. Then this is the execution part after six. Okay. So what we do, this production order, we get the production order. Then these are the internally we have to do. We will detail. We will discuss on this. So production order to be create, availability check, production order release, capacity planning, scheduling, goods issue. Okay, goods issue we can do from the automatic as well as manually also. So MB1A is the T code 261 movement, then confirmation CO11N and goods receipt MIGO or else MB31 101 movement. Then production costing settlement. These are the execution parts. Okay. So in this execution, So you are doing the production order you're going to get, then you are getting the production GRR. Just go for we have to get the GRR. That means stock we're going to get. Then how the 10 going to behave or 11 going to behave, that we can understand today. Okay. In MD04 screen where you can get these details. And I told you strategy can be defined in MRP three views. Then anyway, future forecast demand we can do. LSF. Yeah. So what we do, I'm log into the system and take the example. I will take you to MD04 here now first. So we'll take one component, available component. See, this is the material. I told you this is stock requirement list. This is very important T code for PP consultant. You are analyzing here only. What is the requirement quantity? What is the delivered quantity? Okay, what is the available quantity? What is the store location? If customer demand is there, that we can see vendor details. Okay. Anyway, I will show you this in the detail. But the material detail, whatever the material we created, those overview you can see here only in this MD04 screen only. No need to go to MM02 and check. Okay. Because see this procurement key, what we maintained there, what is availability, strategy groups we maintained, correct? As a 10. So if you enter function the strategy group definition, I told you F1 and F4 functions. If you keep the cursor and enter the F1, you can know the theory part of that. What is the strategy? Okay, that definition, those details. What is the different dependencies or the configuration part? What is the lot size maintained? And what is the procurement scheduling details. So these all are available in the material master what we maintained. Okay. So we can hide this by clicking. And you see this there is a LSF I told you. Okay. There is a LSF for the this LSF and KSL. What is this? That is from the configuration. I will show you what for the strategy, what is that maintained. So configuration part, we have to go SPRO, then system reference IMG. So we are in production planning, demand management, PIR, planned independent requirement, planning strategies, defense strategy. So we going to study planning strategy. These are the strategies. Okay, there are lot of strategies from the system or Z also based on the system they defined. Okay, so these are the few strategies available in the system. If we understand make to stock production, that means not waiting for sales order to come, keep on producing the material and maintaining the warehouse. Okay. So in the make to stock MTS we called as MTS strategies, and there is a requirement types is demand. This is we called as a PIR, and this is sales order requirement. So we'll check this is LSF comes from the it is linked with the PIR. Once you create the demand, then this go into definition. If requirement, independent requirement LSF, you can define by seeing in the MD04, that is strategy 10. Okay, if it is comes BSF, that is 11, gross requirement planning. If that is VSF means we can directly tell that is belongs to strategy 40. And 20, it is not there because we are not maintaining the PIR or MD61, we are not maintaining. This is make to order. That means sales order directly linked with KE. So these all we understand. So we try to cover today both make to stock production, pure make to stock and gross requirement planning. In detail, if you go, so what is the requirement? These all are in depth. Okay. What is the requirement for customer requirement KSL? It is both linked with that means we can upload the demand and we can deliver to the against the sales order as well. Availability check is needed. Okay, assembly. So these are the configuration you can see in detail. No need to change here. Okay, because this is the configured already. So this is done.
Unable to check.
We go
Oh,
create one material. Okay, we create the material and we ensure the all master data is available and we keep update upload the demand, then understand what is 10 is. Okay, so for the brief, I will tell now the sales order for the make to stock is sales order is not included in the planning. The planning part, SO is not there because it is makes to stock production. It is purely MTS. It is used in the high demand. If any high demand is there and fast moving parts is there strategy 10 is recommended. And PIR reduction is happening during the SO delivery that we see in how the PIR is reduced. PIR is nothing but we are maintaining it from the MD61. This going to reducing during the delivery sales. If you sales order is delivered, then PIR going to reduced. Okay, and plant stock is considered. If stock is there, that going to consider system going to consider and do the requirements. Okay, this is the important points where we need to understand. Make to pure make to stock. That is strategy 10. So I told you once the demand we can upload from the planned independent requirement, then the requirement pass to MRP. Just you check, just you see. I will run on MRP. The overall anyway in the next session we need to understand complete in depth. Okay. So what is how the MRP going to convert the requirement into that execution part? That means orders. Then procurement are created in the procurement is nothing but that is production orders. Okay, after goods receipt stock requirement list we'll see how the system behaves, then sales order creation, then delivery. So delivery from VL01N. Okay, so I can write first we have to create one material, then we ensure the BOM availability, and we ensure the uh, rate routing. Sorry, not rate routing because we are understanding discrete again. So this is for the routing. Okay, that once this is done, we are uploading the demand from the MD61. Then we run the MRP, convert, get the requirement. Then we can see in MD04. Uh, and from this MD04 only we can convert. Okay, those are all I will show you. Once you double click, you can convert this into, we convert planned order into production order or convert planned order into production or partially. For example, 100 quantity is there. I'm doing only 10. Then you go for the plan. Full confirmation is there. Then you convert, use this. And this is for process order. Okay, PPPI. And if any uh, again, this is for the full, then this is partial. And if any purchase requisition is there, so planned order is converted into purchase requisition for external material, external uh, produced materials. Okay, so you can understand here now this thing. Then on this done in MD04 you can get. Then we can convert uh, same only CO01. I'm creating the production order. That's what the here we are doing the transactions actually from the production order. Then production order, I told you those part we are not doing now. These all are we not do. Just we do for the goods receipt. Once you do the goods receipt, you get the demand. That means the stock going to update it. Okay. So that is from MD31. Then we check the behave because PIR reduction happens during the sales order delivery. Okay. So stock comes, then stock comes, you have to go for the sales order creation, then we check the behave, then VL01. Yeah, this is complete cycle in a industry. Okay. So from the material master to delivery to customer, so how the cycle is that we're going to check with the understanding of these strategies of 10 pure make to stock strategy. So I'm taking on material. I'll take on material, get on material system. So we'll take this. So I'm creating the material from copying that, or I can go for this as well. No, I'll show you end to end. Don't worry. I'm creating the material. T code is class and MM01. So I'm taking by reference of this. Uh, Fourth is available. Four is available. So this is for external number ranger. You can give the number and create. This also possible. So I have a reference to this one only. Available material. So this is industry sector is mechanical, and I going to create the FERT, FERT material. So these are the views I required: basic data one, basic data two, sales, and all these views. I am copying from 1000 plant with these details to 1000 plant. So this system gives this number. No, that is description. I'm taking this description as 5. You have to understand from strategy. Then all other details I kept as it is. And this document that's shown some NORM. Okay, the item category group sales organization to be maintained. That is here. NORM. Please ensure this related to SD item category groups. Uh, then this is okay. Yeah, MRP views. I taken material base unit of measure as a kg and MRP type as a PD and as normal. Both the strategies there. I kept production storage location FG00 in-house production. These all are okay. And this is important where we are defining the strategies. So strategy 10 we are defining make to stock production, pure make to stock, enter, and availability. Okay, this is one where we have to ensure the details. So I'm going to produce this material. Okay, created the material, that is 5. I keep it in my folder. Copy this with the material we're going to work. So material is available. Then BOM to be ensured /n CS01 is the T code. So BOM usage is 1 actually. By drop down also you can mention. So this is for production. Hit enter. So I will take any available material. We already created one component which is having again BOM. One component, enter. and save. So BOM is available. Then work center already available, created. So then I required routing, how to do the process step by step. The code is CA01. I'm going to do the routing for this material with the plant combination. Hit enter. So group counter is one. Group going to created after you saving the routing. So usage is one for the production, and status we can execute it. That's why I'm taken as a release general. Is to be released. So hit enter. Go to operation tab. Now I need to take work center. Which work center I need to use? I going to use these two work centers, and you hit enter because standard text is assigned. Okay. So first operation anyway I'm doing plain turning. This is for description for TEG team. Okay. They are defining this plain turning 01 turning 02. Two operation I am doing, and from the work center the setup activities machine and labor time is fetched from the system. So for the first operation I'm going to define the times. Time machine time it will take 20 minutes. 10. If labor is there, you can define the labor time as well. So 10 minutes defined. If this is because I am doing this operation in this work center, then I'm going to second operation I will do in this uh, work center with these times. That means I'm
So
getting
what
manufacturing
center distribution is changed, no, now.
this finished material. These two machines I
Hello?
am using with these timings. Okay, planned times actually. That is what this routing tells. So I got this routing. Okay, 5001331. If required, we can note it down. Now it is not required, but we'll note it down. Routing we generated here. So now, so routing is done. Then next case is, so routing is done. Then what we need to do? So we need to check the status of this material in /nmd04. This is the stock requirement list. So where you can get nothing. It is now blank is there. Okay, no demand is there. Nothing is there. So next we go for the demand uploading. How to do the demand upload? There is a T code MD61 from where we can upload the demand. Okay, planning horizon maybe from 01 to 5 months or any months, because if sales person is give the anticipate the demand if they give, or based on the past history data we can mention the future demand. So for this month, I'm going to produce 100. The next month, I'm going to produce 200. The next month are, so March, April, May, I'm going to create 300 components. So
The
this is
sales order.
demand I uploaded manually. This is PIR. So just enter. That is only information message. You save this. So once saves, the requirement is saved. After saving the requirement, you can check in the stock requirement list. You can refresh this button and get to know what is the requirement. These are the three requirements we created in the system. I told you this is because of the PIR. we maintain from the planned independent requirement, that is LSM. So we maintained requirement types of 3 months, okay, 10, 200, and 300. We need to create. This is minus symbol means still we need to produce in-house, right? We are need to produce. Then this will how this behaves. You check it. This is minus means we need to produce this component in the manufacturing. So once this is done, so what is the next case? So next we need to MRP. Okay, we need to run the MRP. We created this MD61. We do the MRP. What MRP going to do? You just see this, how the LSF is. These are the requirement element. So for the MRP, the T code is, or from the logistic also we can check. Go to logistics, uh, go to production planning or MRP planning MD02. We just check for the execution part only we doing. So it is we called as MD02 single item multi-level disk. Okay, this T code MD04. We have to enter the material, which material you need to produce, which plant, and these are the detail we will study later. But timing, just check it. Process key we use NETCA and 1313 I defined. So if any purchase requisition is there, that should be created. Purchase requisition, delivery, if any delivery schedule is there, scheduled, and MRP list should be activated. That is MD05 T code. MD04 is the stock requirement list. And the planning mode to be deleted. Any available data is there, that to be deleted and create the planning data. Scheduling, there are two scheduling types. One is basic data scheduling. Another one is lead time scheduling. You keep it as a one, and if you click this one only, that means just execution detail will get. Or if you go for a display result before they are saved, these all are simulation mode. These all are we can check. But for the demand, we need to see in MD04. Just check one first one unchanged component. After you entering this, if same data you need, you can go to our setting, you save it. Okay, so that same data you can use again and again. This is the MRP. What MRP will do? This requirement going to generate. What is the independent requirement is there? Okay, these are the independent requirement. That means for FG05, what is the requirement is there? For example, again, if you go here, uh, step it, go here. So this is the material. So this material we're going to get the demand. That is independent requirement for this. If there is a child is there, then that is dependent components. Okay, taking out. So independent requirement I'm going to create from this MRP. I'm going to get the planning data. MRP. You just hit enter now from the keyboard. Its system is telling please check the input parameter. So these are the detail you're going to check. Material, how many material plant, what is the exception message is there, which MRP area, plant. Okay.
Hello.
If you come out, you can get this detail. You created two, added the material 58,
Hello,
because
Mr.
58
Chetan.
and 59 BOM. This
Hello.
59 having two components. So that is independent requirement. This is dependent components. Okay,
Mr. Chetan,
dependent.
can you able to hear us?
Once this is done, you can go and check in
Hello.
MD04. You can get
Okay, एक बार फिर मैं चेक करता हूँ.
planned orders. Okay. This is called PL order. PL order means planned orders. So you are getting the planned orders. Then this planned order we need to convert it into production because it is in-housely we produce in-house. So how to do? So anyway, there is no stock till now. So we get the planned orders. So this planned order we going to convert it into production order, and further steps we can understand now. Irfan, am I audible now? Irfan, I am audible. Iqbal? No.
Hearing us?
Correct. That last time happened, na, same issue. Huh? Hello?
Hello?
Iqbal, now okay?
Yeah, now you okay?
Now you are audible. Now you are audible.
Yeah.
Yeah. That means, yeah. Audible, Irfan. Now okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Iqbal, till date, what I explained is understood, na?
Yeah, just
You're catching, right?
yeah.
Okay.
When
Because audible, I thought you're not.
well, I just I asked some time, but you're not hearing, so that's why I just send a message to you also.
Okay. Now fine, right? We continue.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are here. My screen is visible.
Yeah.
Okay. So till date, the requirement came for strategy 10. We are understanding what is the behavior of this. This is strategy 10. And we run the MRC, we get the planned orders. Okay. Once the planned order, we got the planned order, same planned order to be converted into production. I will show you that. Next steps. You double click here, go to production order, system take you to this order, production order screen. The T code, this is from the MD04 you converted, that's why CO40 comes, right? CO40 or CO01 is the T code where manually you're going to create. CO40 is for from the conversion from MD04. So this
Yes.
is the planned order. The target quantity we given. This is came from the demand, right? From the PIR we maintain. And what I do, I will check. These are not required. We want to know just for the this delivery, the delivery to be ensured now. Okay, to understand that behavior of strategy 10. So if you come, these details anyway, I'm going to tell you, but just for you, these are the groups we maintain. 331, just ensure, yeah, 331 group is there, and this is the bomb maintained. Okay, so what I do, I just scheduled it and release it. That means release is carried out. Release is carried out. Once this, you save the production order, and you can check the production order in MD04 screen of this target quantity of 100. This planned order converted it to production order. Okay, this production order generated 63486. Once you refresh this MD04 screen, you can get that planned order gone, right? Understood. There are the three, yeah, the planned order was there. Now that planned order is converted into this production order. This is PR, PRD, ORD. That is PLORD. Planned order. This is PRD. Okay. From this, you can understand that this is a production order we got. Saving here. So, and this status is telling it is released, RE is released, and we used the order type is standard one only, PP01. Okay, and the storage location is FG01. Now I want to know, anyway, I go through here till where we completed. Okay, these are master data, and this is a diagram is telling how the make to stock is works. Okay, first is independent requirement, then there is a production order. Okay, then stock will come from the warehouse towards the sales order. Delivery is happening. Consumption will take place. This is for BOM material. Mm, so make to stock. The requirement is all are, I will show you in this in a minute. Okay, we maintain the strategy in MRP 3 ways, and we in this MD04. Then we uploaded the demand through MD61, and MD04 we get the independent requirement that we called as a LSF because that is uh, designated as PIR. Then we do the MRP. We need to convert the requirement. We have to get the planned order. So we get the PL order, planned order. Then we have to ensure all the master data is available that I showed you. Then we are converting the that planned order to production order. These all are the steps. We release the order and we got the production order now. Okay. So order we got release the order. Just before that not released in the same T code CO40 only I released. Now it is released. Okay. Now we are in here. So once this is done, so I need to get the stock, right? What is the T code? You can go for MIGO. This screen you have to go this. You have to enter /n. Go to MIGO. Enter. From this also you can do the goods receipt. Or if there is a HANA system uh, for goods receipt production GRN, you have to use MIGO only. Okay. But MB31 is absolute in HANA system. But ECC is allowing for this T code /NMB31. Okay, MB31. What we have to do? You have to movement type. You have to take a 101. We are doing the goods receipt for the order into the warehouse. Okay, 100. That means what we are doing is we created the production order. I will show you this. From the display, you can see the production order. From the change node, you can change any changes to be done. This is released. This status is telling if it is released, then only you can execute further. If CRT, you cannot do anything. Okay. Goods receipt, and this is a storage location where you get the stock of this material. So something I need to tell. Yeah, 101 is where you are getting the stock. That means this delivery is there, not delivered. This is the production delivery. Once we do the MB31, the 100 stock is updated here. Okay, so I'm going back, doing this delivery. Again is order. What is the order? This is the order. So to enter the order, what is the storage location? FG00 is the storage location. And other parts also should be ensured because cost is relevant, costing to be done, right? Because FIC also come into picture. So you can enter the adopted details. Then if batch managed, SLED is there. You can enter those details, and is not batch. Before that, I need to check the stock because there is no stock right now. You can get the or you can see the stock from the T code MMBE. Enter the stock, enter the storage location. So no stock is available. You can check other storage location also. Click. For plant level, there is no stock now. Okay, storage location also not there. Then you just hit enter. Enter just information message. Hit enter. So this screen will come. Just save this. Hit enter because the standard cost is not done. So document is 121. So 121, this can be seen in MyGo T code. Flatman MyGo 121. You can display the material document 121, and this 2021 is the year of production. That means we manufactured this material of quantity 100. We get the stock keeping unit of 100 kg. Okay. Then where we produced in the 1000 plants. Storage location is FG00. We did the 101 movement. We did the goods receipt. And the stock type is unrestricted. If any quality inspection is needed, that to be maintained in the material master. Okay. Then what is the order data? This from this order, this account hitting is this profit center 9999 and of this order. This details gives we get the stock to the production. So in the
What you are doing now is when material is not available, then
yeah
what
we
you are
producing we produce the in-house. Okay. So, 02. This is the order. We produced 100 quantity. Okay. By using this material in this work center, we manufactured and get the stock of 100 quantity of X component. Okay. So you can check here. So now you got the stock of 100. Yeah, not this screen. We are here. So we manufacturing the 100 and we get the stock. I'm refreshing. You just check the stock going to update here. Okay, 100. Then that production order gone. Right? That means what it means plant stock is considered. If stock is there, that also considered. It is not going to generate or if 100 is there, 100 is stock is there, then system will not do planning because stock is available. Na? That means plant stock is considering. So now there are two other things we need to understand. Now the production people's work is done. Okay. Then we are linking with sales.
just a minute. What I ask,
Tell me, Iqbal.
yeah. When you are creating this one, the material is not available, right?
Before that, you mean material master?
No, material when you
Stock
are
is not available. Correct.
yeah, stock is not
Stock
there.
is not available. Yeah.
What action you are done, and then it will come.
Yeah. What I did, I created we got the planned orders, right? We got the planned order. Now also planned order available. This we got the stock of 100, right? With LSF means we maintain the demand. We run the MRP. We got the planned order. Then this planned order is converted into production order.
After
Then
production
we
order,
GRN we
after
did.
production order, the material is required for production in the warehouse.
Yeah, consumption component is there, but we not did that because not required. No, we need to understand this strategy related. Actually, that consumption to also take to be do actually. Okay, consumption to be do. Then you are doing the production GRN from MyGo 131. This part I did. So Iqbal, I will tell you. I production order I created and I skip all this. I not did this. I just goods receipt I did. That's it. Okay. When this is done, I got the stock here. I got the stock. Okay. Further, we will understand. Just we need to check the strategy 10. Okay. What is the behave? How the simple? What is the system behave? How the planned order got vanished? Now there is no production order now, right? Because stock is updated now. Then I'm going to now do this is integration part now. Sales order we're going to create. Okay. What is the T code for the sales order? I'm taking one more screen. Sales order I'm going to create VA01. So I'm doing for the standard order of the organization of 1000, distribution channel 10, division 00, enter. Now the stock is available, Iqbal. Now we have to deliver it to the customer, correct? Yeah, that sales order I'm creating now. Okay. In the system I'm showing you. So for against this material I am solding. For example, I am sending to X customer. Okay. PO reference I am entering simply. So this material I'm delivering to the X plant. Some 100 quantity only I'm delivering, and this manufacturing in 100,000 plant. And okay, that's it. This material I am sending to this customer, sold. Okay, sold party. That means sales order now came. So this 100 and these all are the data I created. So I'm going to check the sales order. Any log is there. So known log. So I'm creating a sales order. Now stock is available, right? The warehouse stock is available. 12917 sale order came for strategy 10. I'm refreshing. Now that sale order is updated here. Okay. So just to check the behave. Okay. Now this is the order now. This is the customer order. Okay. See, this is a display only. Nothing you'll doing. That means this sales order is not included in the planning in strategy 10. Okay. So this sales order is not included. If 100 come, I have 100 component, I'm delivering against this order. Okay. So I'm checking the availability check. So how to do? Just double click this. This is the change mode of the sales order. Check the line item. Check the check the availability. It will check the MD04. Yes, stock is available. Open quantity, confirm quantity 100 is available, and complete delivery you just check. That means availability check is carried out. Okay, just refresh. Still I am not did the delivery. Okay. Next step is VL01N. Again, these all are, don't worry you, because this is the SD T codes. I'm taking one more screen or available. Okay, I can take this. This part is done, right? 100 is available. This is PP actually. PP production order. The stock is available in MD04. So how to deliver? Go to /VL0N. So You are doing the outbound delivery against that sales order. To to whom you are delivering? We are delivering the 1,000 plant. Okay. So this is the sale order. You just enter. It is telling material does not exist. Storage location 1,000. Okay. So double click. You can get the error detail. So in 1,000 plant, 100 kg. Okay. What I do? I'm going back. Create again. The delivery I'm doing. 1,000 component. Because on that date, those data is not available. Go into picking screen. Go to picking screen. Enter the 100 component quantity. Now, one more I not shown you. The stock requirement list before production GRN, stock was not there. If you refresh, you get the stock of 100 of FG00, but there is no batch. So this whatever is showing, that is from stock requirement list also. Okay, same only. So there is no batch not there. Then till you can save means the delivery is created. Okay, delivery of 850 is created. So you just check in MD04 screen. You just check. So that sales order gone, right? Sales order is replaced with delivery indicator. That means the component, whatever is available, delivery is done, but still stock is not issued against this delivery number. So sales order is not included, planning is clear. PIR reduction happened during the sales order. Once the sale order done, this PIR is gone, right? That means 1, 2, 3 only available. 4 was there, 3 only available. Sales order is reduced. This is what we need to understand. You just check once the delivery is completed, then this delivery indicator going to vanish from MD04 screen. So you can go, and from here also it is going to issue to against that customer. So I'm closing this. It's not required. From MD0 phone only you can go. Just double click, go to change mode, and you have to do the post goods issue. That means you deliver it to the customer of this material of 100 quantity. Okay, post goods, storage location. I mean, in picking, there is a storage location. Means this component available in FG00 storage location. From there, you can issue against this sale order against this customer. That is the meaning. So delivery has been saved. If you refresh this, this going to vanish, 100 going to issue. That means it will come 0. Then you are in MMB screen also. The stock going to issued against that sales order. Just we check. Correct. So I issued the stock against that sales order.
Yeah.
Okay. If you see in
Yeah,
MMBA,
that's level.
stock also going to vanish. So this is the complete integration cycle related to TP-SD. Okay, there are the three, I think, three requirement we created. Now only two is available. Okay, it is get cleared from the PIR as well. This is PIR screen. So likewise, the same things we can do for the strategy 10. This is about strategy 10. In the strategy 10, the require one more I have not shown you. So if KSL is there, right? KSL, what is that order? 1297. The sale order. So sale order display, you can see. Open one more screen. Go to VA02. So in procurement key, you can check what is the requirement type. This is the requirement type. Because from this we can say this is a strategy 10. Again, in this strategy, the warehouse stock is available. From the stock, we are issuing the customer demand. That is KSL. This is customer requirement. So this is what that meaning. There are the two requirements. So planning strategy having a PIR and CIR as well. This LSF is from the PIR demand. KSL we are issuing the demand or the whatever the stock to the customer. So that is picked from SPRO, right? There in SPRO configuration is maintained. This we can see in the procurement screen. So this is about strategy and behavior. Any doubts here? Iqbal? Iqbal, do you have any doubt? You run the complete cycle of this strategy 10, adding these all details. Okay. If any issues, let me know. So this is about strategy 10. One more we can understand strategy 11. So this is about strategy 10. The same screenshots, you just go through the screenshot. Complete step by step is documented. So
And
delivery is
also
done.
you prepare some task lists that is good for the subjects like these topics.
Yep.
Prepare some tasks and give me for the practice or for the solving. It will be interactive.
Well, I'm not getting you.
Not hearing?
Yeah, come again.
What I say, just prepare some task list for me.
Routing, huh?
For, no, for every topic.
Uh-huh.
Give me a some task, so I
Okay.
can just do the task and
Correct. I
understand.
I I confused. The task list means
No.
maybe there is a task is there. Understood.
Prepare some questionnaire or give some task,
Okay,
some
okay.
homework actually.
Yeah, understood. So what you need to do is see this to be done now. Whatever I told you, this step you need to follow.
That
Okay.
yeah, that I
What
am doing. But
what you need to do, you have to create one material. Okay. Okay. Create the material from the same way. We can reference whatever we created right now.
and
Right.
then
You take this, reference
I
it.
just
Okay.
I asked
So
you,
yeah.
Shekhar, this material like we are copying. Okay,
Hmm.
copying we are putting one material
Hmm.
and we are give description and
You have
we
to
can
give
change the name. Huh?
here. You're asking.
MM01.
So this we created description wherever mandatory is there. System will giving the pop up. Okay.
No, actually, when we are copying, na, I
Uh,
think MM02,
I have to go MM01.
MM02,
It is MM02 only.
okay,
You
MM01.
have to give the description here. Correct. Okay.
But where is the coming option from copying? MM01, I think. Yeah,
Uh, MM01. Right.
yeah, the here. Like here in the copying, we are copying what existing material, right?
Correct.
And then in the material we can change the name
Name.
of that.
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
So
See.
in the system, the same material have two name, right?
No. 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 See.
That I confuse.
See, because I understood. See, material, for example, This material we are manufacturing. Okay, material
For,
already available.
for example, the material in the system is car. Okay,
Hmm.
we are copying here. We are put this car, and in the material we are put, for example, uh,
Car description.
yeah, car description or car name, something.
Door description. What is the dimension of that? In basic data, one is there where client level detail. So car detail you can give, and if you are selling this car, na, the sales order data you need to maintain.
So
This.
the existing material, when we are copying and doing the existing material specification will change.
Because the first material anyway it is completed. In the second material, whatever the specification there, you can change. Else you can leave it as it is. That depends on business again. We can change that based on the requirement. Hello.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Okay, right? Yeah. Anything else?
Uh,
So you complete this complete cycle once. Okay. From the material master to delivery. Okay. For strategy 10, you try. Then the second part is same way, make to stock only. This is, but this is a gross requirement. Okay, so we'll just check what are the master data changes needs to be do here. So gross requirement is the mass production where the mass production requirement is there. The strategy is suggestible. And even there is a one more repetitive manufacturing you heard. Now we are understanding discrete manufacturing. For discrete, we can go for the 10, 40, 20, whatever the available strategies. First, for the repetitive manufacturing, for the mass production, strategy 11 is recommended because that is continue production. There is no change in the routing. Work center is available same, and there is a continue production. Rate routing can be used for the repetitive manufacturing. Uh, it is same way
this
for
type
the
this type of industry, I think consultant also not required.
continue
Huh? And
manufacturing, like cement manufacturing, right? There we can suggest for this or cylinder manufacturing. There is no change. Continue production based on the period, based on a month, right? 5 months, 6 months, 1 year. There is nothing change
so
in this.
that's why this type of industry not required more consultant,
Okay, because no one.
because the same industry I am belongs to.
Okay,
There is one
what?
guy only.
Oh, what they manufacturing?
Still.
Steel. You check their strategy. They may use 11 then. You now understand, no? FG material. You can check it in the system. Check the strategy what they are using. Okay, and see next the master data setting. We need to do the strategy group 11. Then there is a mixed MRPs come into picture. Okay, there is only one change, whereas for 10 not required. And in sales organization view, norm need to be maintained as item category. Then all the other things as usual. 10. Net requirement planning. This we called as a net requirement planning. Sorry, net requirement is done. This we called as a gross requirement planning. Same, it is similar to 10, but continue. But some differences is there. Stock is taken into account in 10. The stock is there, well, planned independent is there. Stock, it is consider the stock and demand that requirement going to generate. Whereas 11 stock is not considered. What does that means in here? If stock is there, strategy 10 is considering. But in spite of the stock, it is continually producing. You produce nothing, it will not impact here this your planned independent. Okay. That's what this is telling. Stock is not taken into account In 11, whereas 10 is considered. Reduction of the PIR taken place. I told you, no, PIR, that MD61 is you are maintaining. That one you can see in MD04. So that going to reduce. This going to reduce when goods issue to delivery. Correct, no? During the delivery, this is now actually reduced. That's what now only two is available. That's what in
Meaning of reduce what in this
reduced means it is now it is there. Previously was there. It is now it is not there. That's what it's reduced from the stock requirement list.
activity list.
Yeah, in this list, it is disappeared. Whereas goods receipt of the production order, that means in the discrete production for the planned order in the repetitive manufacturing. So that this we can suggest for the discrete and repetitive as well. So during the planned order and goods receipt of the production or purchase order, trading goods, so it is going to reduce. It is not till the delivery. During the production stock comes only, it is this goods receipt of the production order and planned order is going to impact it in strategy level. We'll see in the scenarios. So this is we need to do setting and same way, whatever I will show you these all are. One thing you can see this comment gross requirement in MD04. You see the gross requirement. That means for this material, you can tell by seeing stock MD04. The strategy used is 11, and the independent requirement is came here BSF, whereas LSF is means that is 10. Clear? And MRP we're going to do. Yeah, this is a BSF planned order, not planned order, same steps. I will show in the system. This requirement type is BSF. And again, this is a KSL only. If delivery sales order created, that requirement types change to KSL. So PIR reduction happens during the production order GRN, whereas PIR reduced happen during the sales order delivery. That we see in the system. This behavior will check. Plant stock is not considered. Here, plant stock is considered. It is keep on producing. Okay, gross requirement for the mass production. Uh, okay, so we will produce one scenario for the 11 gross requirement. Same case, log into the system. 11. So I'm copying one material. Take, cross. I'll keep it here. Okay. Creating the material from copying. Just you see from MM01. I is there. I'm going to take consider as a 6. This is external number range. Huh? So what is the material type? FE, finish, finish product. PP will take. And we as a industry belongs to mechanical engineering. I'm copying from 2, enter. And these are the view required because it is a we are delivering sales use requirement and a MRP view, accounting view. Copy. I'm copying from 1000 to 1000 plant only. I'm working for the okay strategy 11 only. Okay. This is example for our understanding. You have to enter all these details. Basic data one is the client level, whereas if you go sales related data, as discount is there, and they told item category group that we maintain, and ORM is a standard, and SD related because we're going to create sales order. Then come to MRP, same data, nothing is changed. X is there, 1 is there. Here we need to select the strategy group is 11. So inside strategy 11, make to stock production gross requirement planning. If you enter 11, you have to ensure the gross requirement in mixed MRP. That's it. This is one change in the material master setting for the MRP preview. Rest of all are same only. The material is created, the name FMFG06. Here, so once material is available, we need BOM class N CS01 is the T code. We are creating this material in plant 1000 for the production. Enter. I will take this component, only one component is available. Enter. So my BOM is ready. I'm going to create the routing for this material of 1000 plant. So my usage is production, and I'm going to release this routing. Hit enter, go to operation, enter the work centers. Available work center I will give 2, 3, enter. So system is asking time, enter the setup time, machine time, labor time, required planned data. Okay. I'm just mentioning description OTRAPION operation 1, suite description operation 2. Usually only one operation is enough for
So
cross requirement.
this one, the work center also description change here
Yeah, change it. You are right. That you
because
can
work
change.
center they are defined. Global one, there is the paint shop, right?
Yeah, yeah.
There
You can
operation
change
one.
that.
So
Same
it will
cannot
be
be used. Yeah, yeah. You can change it as per the requirement. You can change the work center, Iqbal. No issue. Okay. Because as a testing, we are not required, right? So available work center only I can use. Okay. In a real time, work center is going to change. The parameter may be the same. So 1332 is the group I got for the routing. Then yes, my all master data is ready. I need to check what is the status now. How to see in stock requirement list. I'm checking for strategy 11. So nothing is there now. Now blank. Correct. What needs to do? Iqbal. Now nothing is there. So we need to upload the demand. Correct. You are uploading the demand from the T code MD61 for this material, maybe from this month. You can increase the month also. No issue. I want from this to October, anticipating the demand. Whatever you entering, that much month only comes. I want the this demand. For the month March, I wanted 10 kg, unit of measure kg only. This next month 10 and May also 10. Saving this. This is just for information message. Requirement is saved. So where you can see the requirement in MD04 stock requirement list. If you refresh your independent requirement source. Correct? So where it come BSF? Because you are maintained your strategy for the strategy 11 only this requirement is comes for strategy 11. Okay. This is same the gross requirement. You are keep on producing. It is stock. The plant stock is not considered this one. Okay. So now you got the independent requirement of 30 for the each month, 1, 4, and 3rd. Next, what we need to do? We need to run the MRP. What is the T code for the MRP? The navigation path also I shown. I'm going for directly. So I'm entering this material, this plant of the MRP control parameter I entered. Okay, just hit enter. It gives you. Please check all the input is correct or not. So this is generated the requirement. So for that 06 FG material, we given 1859 as a bomb material, and that bomb having this raw materials. So we can see the planned order requirement after the MRP run. This is the PL order, planned order. So for this BSF, this planned order, and this PSF, this planned order. That means we created how many? Three only, right? So three planned order we got 952, 953, 954. So whatever the independent requirement we generated, we got the planned orders. So what we need to do? Planned orders. Once we got the planned order, we need to produce. We need to produce the planned order into convert it into production order. How can production order we can convert by double clicking? Go to mass for this tab for partially this tab. I'm going to do from convert production order. So that case 100 was there. Now 10 kg. We producing the 10 kg of this material in this plant of this order type. Okay, this detail anyway you're going to understand. So scheduling just enter. I am releasing. Here only you can release it. Release carried out. Until you release, unable to do any transaction further. Just save this order. This casting information error is there. So you got the production order of 3487. Just refresh. Uh, Now what is that? Your requirement is there. 10 minus 10 is the independent requirement. Plus 10 is you need to produce this. You have to produce, correct? So if you refresh, now production order is coming to picture. That planned order gone, correct? That planned order is replaced with this production order. We released this production order of this PP01 order. So what system is telling? So PIR reduction happens during the production GRN. So PIR reduction 3 was there. Now 1 we created 1, 2. These are the PIR. So what system is telling? This is going to reduction once the stock is comes. Okay. So now still we are not uh, produce the component. It is in the released state. How we can produce directly? Copy the material component, go to another screen. What is the T code for the production GRN? MB31 is the T code. Enter. What is the movement type we can use? 101 movement type. What is the order? This is the order. In which storage location we required? FG00. Okay, hit enter. So this 387 material, this plant, adopt detail. So date of manufacture SLED not there. Just I'm entering the fiscal year 10. Hit enter, just hit enter and save. It will ask you the detail. Document is generated. That means now you got the stock for that material.
And that
Yeah, you can check it in MMBE as well. Material of this FG, hit enter, you got the stock. Okay, of 10 kg stock you got. But we now need to understand the uh, if you refresh, this PIR going to vanish. Only one, two only available. On refreshing, stock comes. Clear? Understood? So this is what the behavior in 11. PIR reduction happened during the production order GRR. It will not wait till the sales order delivery. It is behavior is
so the
once the
next
stock is come,
next GRN,
next
next year production order, then one reduced.
yeah, then if you do this one, then this BS is going to reduce. Okay. If how then further step, if stock is available, stock is keep on increasing, correct? Whatever the stock is available. Then the same way you can do. What is the next step? For
So
example,
that activity, when the production is done, then production will be confirmed. Then this process will be done, right?
yeah, the strategy is done. Then further, again, SD, sales order comes. Okay, same case. Sales order comes. Then you have to check the availability check of the stock. Then do the delivery against the sales order. Then
So
this goes to
that activity will be done automatically, or it will be. Yeah.
see. This is again department wise activities. Okay, the production guys doing the this production activity. Then once the sales order come from the customer, that same to be entered in the system. Okay. Anyway, those all are available in the SAP only. Once the sales order comes, then the sales guys are doing entering that VA01 T code, get the those entered into the system. Then against this material only the sales order generated. Correct. Then the sales order come into your picture. When the sales order delivery happen, whatever the stock they required, those going to delivery, and this is going to reduce. If you require, I will show that one also. So this is about 11 strategy. I can show here. So releasing order, same way. This is a screenshot where MD04 goods receipt we did. MD04 we see the details. Now gross requirement list. There are the three, one, two, three. Three PIR was there. 11 MMB stock we can check. Okay. Then sales order. Sales order nothing. Sales order nothing will do. It is reduce the stock. That's it. So check that one also. Delivery happen. That availability check. Zero net delivery. Stock going to reduced. The delivery come into picture. Once you reduce delivery is done. Goods post goods is to PGI done. Then this going to vanish. I'll show you that. What is the T code for the sale order? CO01. This is the SDT code. Okay, you don't worry. 1000 and division. Enter. I'm going to do for the sale order of this material of 10 quantity and the plant of 1000 we sold to X customer. PO number we got. Okay, against this PO we got this requirement. Delivery to plant 1000. Just hit enter, going to fetch based on that material. Now sales order you're creating, you check this any inconsistencies there. So document is completed, you can save this.
So this both plant is 1,000, so it is internal, right?
Yeah, internal for testing only. Based on that customer, the sold party need to enter. Now I'm refreshing here. You check the sale order. Correct, order came because it is against this material only. Order means this is customer order, sales order of this order of this 10 item. Okay. So again, this is not considered nothing impacting. Whatever the sales order comes of 10 minus quantity, we will issue this stock. What is the next step? So I can check the availability check. Go to change mode. This is sale order screen. This is availability check. So we have a stock of 10. You complete delivery. That means availability check is carried out. So 12989. Just refresh. Nothing is there. Then further step, what we need to do? I need to do the delivery. What is the T code? VL01. N is the delivery. So we are delivery on this date of the shipping point is again is this sale order. Order means sale order. Don't confuse. One is sale order, another one is production order. Production order is PRD order. Planned order is PL order. This order means this is customer order. Okay. From this only you have to able to tell this document details. This item go to picking. I need to pick 10 quantity from the storage location FG00. Okay, I'm not a post goods system. I'm not doing. Just we check the order is going to convert it into delivery item because against sales order only we did. Just refresh. So that order is converted into delivery. It's still not delivered. Once
Yeah.
you do the post goods issue, this your stock going to vanish and this one also going to clear from the system. So I am here. Or else you can come from here as well. Double click it, change mode, line item, post goods issue. If no errors in the document, it will issue the delivery. Delivery has been saved. If you refresh from the MMB, stock going to vanish. It is reduced from the MMB stock requirement list. Still stock is available. Now it is gone. If you refresh here, stock going to cleared. This is a cycle. And this is a behavior of strategy level. So I'm repeating here. So make to stock scenarios, strategy 10 and strategy 11. You understand? This is demand and demand management. These two strategies are important and widely used. Even 40 also widely used one across the industry. So in make to stock strategy, sales order is not included in the planning. Okay, in the both the case. Here also it is not included in the planning. We can write this one as a no issue. It is not considered in the planning. The PIR reduction happens during the delivery time, but this PIR reduction happens during the production GRM. That we understand. Stock plant is not considered, whereas stock is considered during the planning. This is pure make to stock strategy. This is gross requirement planning. This is all about demand management strategies. If you have any doubt, please ask me.
Just- I mean, this- practice for both struggle.
Iqbal,
Yeah.
anything in a task?
Just make practice for the both study.
You have to practice. Yeah.
And Mr. Singh, just prepare one questionnaire and able to move. So that next week I just make
This is where you understand the integration as well, right? PPSD integration, this one actually. Okay. And some setting FI also there. If time is permits, I will do FICO settings. Because see, if this is a master data is done, then there is standard cost to be done, right? Standard cost to be carried out from the plant FICO level. And once that is done, that is periodic activity. And from FICO, they have to maintain the price based on the activity type maintained in the work center. Uh, then that is then dot information message will not come. So you try to create a material, individual material, whatever the requirement, mandatory field is there, just enter those. And you try by uploading the demand manually from MD61 and do the further all processes. Ensure all master data is available in the system and demand upload. Do the MRP from the T code MD02. Okay. Then MD04 you can use frequently. This is a dynamic. Any changes is updated in MD04. And even MD05 also you can check the last MRP run. It will show. That's 05. There you get the MRP list. It's static one. Any last did the MRP. Okay. Last MRP done you can see from here MD04. Because maybe in your real time someone deleted planned order. They will tell I'm not deleted. Then how you can see? You can check in MD05 screen. But anything dynamic changes you can check in MD04 screens. So before last MRP run, any changes you can check from MD05. Okay, this is what uh, about your demand and strategies. So from the tomorrow's class, we have to understand strategy 40. Okay. So if time
and
permits, we can go for make to order as well. There is no PIR for make to order. It is purely based on the sales order demand. Customer gives the order, then planning going to take place, production going to do in the manufacturing plant. Okay. I think this document you got, right?
yeah,
Okay. All theory part is there. Complete screenshot. You can see the timing. Maybe this is yesterday's only. 27. Okay, yesterday night this one uploaded. So real
till now, right?
me?
Can you hear me?
Mr. Iqbal, I think there is a problem with your microphone because can hear a lot of noises, and I myself am not able to hear you. Mr. Shekhar, is Mr. Iqbal is audible to you?
Yeah, some echo. It is not proper. Somewhat.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
I do have a lot of problems. Understanding the voice because it's breaking a lot. So, Mr. Iqbal, do you have any questions with Mr. Shekhar?
You are hearing me?
Yeah, bit not
Basically,
fine, Iqbal. Not good actually.
yeah, earlier it used to be a very good from your
Yeah, yeah.
end, but today I cannot able to hear Mr. Bal properly. I don't know whether it's with you, Mr. Shekhar, or not, but I cannot able to hear him.
But I am able to hear, no, all of you. Fine, right? Okay.
Okay, you are able to hear.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
Okay.
If any
See,
doubts, you ask me, Iqbal.
I have a request.
Yeah.
Till now, the topics are covered. Just prepare one questionnaire and give it to me to just practice and just some review for you purpose.
You mean how? What is how you want? What is that? If for practicing or
Yeah, for practicing or for some like questionnaire for
okay?
every topic.
No, what you do, no, Iqbal. Now the practicing is now important. Those questionnaire kind immediately I cannot give, but I can prepare and in the meantime I can share you. Okay, but you have to practice whatever till date is we uh, whatever we given that session. What you just cover it, those
Yes.
details. If any doubts, if you come across, you just
Yeah,
note it down and ask.
for that practicing for
Yeah,
reference that is important. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Because see, if you are not practicing and 1 or 2 days, after 2 days, you are not recall also, right? It is once you practice, you can get the detail, and if you got any errors related things, that is good actually, so that we can clear your doubts, whatever is there. Okay. So questionnaires you are asking like we can ask what is the production version, right?
Yeah,
What is production
how to
version? What is
like like like
routing?
yeah, what I asking now, how to copying and how to this one.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. I understood. It's relevant to subject. Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay.
I think Mr. Iqbal is speaking the real-time business scenario. Uh, I mean, they want to track this in a real-time business scenario. What are the questions can be I mean encountered
Okay, okay.
during the business hour or operating hour? Is it Mr. Iqbal?
Yeah, yeah. Similar.
In the real time questionnaires means, see, as a consultant, there is the thing. One is how, what is the role you are doing. Okay. One may be the implementation thing, where the implementation methodologies we have to follow, we have to those details. The other case, you are as a support, you are a support consultant. What are the real time? You have to handle the multiple clients, right? There may be the multiple clients, multiple business scenarios. So based on that, we need to understand. We need to handle the situations. There may be the ticket day by day. Some production is going on. They are raising the tickets. There are the severity in the tickets, L1, L2, L3, L4. That is between the agreement between the client and the customer. Okay. So they are raising the ticket. They are telling my lorry is outside the gate. I'm unable to do the backflash. So what do you do? Instantly you have to take it up. If you are working other things, you have to keep it aside. You have to check with the system why he is not unable to do the backflash. Backflash is telling my material master is or component is not there. You have to get in the system. You have to check why the component it is there. That user is telling component I am maintained. Then why the system is not pulling the data. Correct. So that if you dig into the system, you come to know what is the issue. Material data is there. If data is not maintained properly, or any component they are deleted, and the production version is not maintained. So it is all based on the scenarios, based on the situation, instant the solution as a consultant you have to be able to give to the customer.
Yeah, they can. So the common issues in the system for example for the material master creation, there
Mm.
is the common issues. So while creating the material master, there is the common issues.
In material master again, see there is a depends. Okay, if there is a customizing, some customer exist they maintained. For example, backflash is not maintained. Where is backlash indicator in the MRP view? Can you tell me?
Like
Backlash
this forecast
not.
view.
Yeah, backflash is there in MRP2 view. So backflash indicator is missed, but customer is maintained the mandatory. It is missed. Then during the analysis, come to that it is missing because that is not maintained as a mandatory. So material master creation guy is if there is a indicator is mandatory, then they are do the backflash indicator. Then it will not trouble you during the confirmation. Okay. So again, these all are the come into
So
picture
this is no issue.
based on the business only.
Take your time and prepare. It will be helpful.
Okay. Now the till the date, at least today's class is covering you complete production. Okay, production to sales and overall the high level of how the system is works. Okay. So just go through that. So I will collect the few important things, the scenarios, the real time scenarios, and I will share you in the next couple of sessions. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Iqbal. Thank you, Irfan.
Thank you,
And
Mr.
tomorrow's
Iqbal and
class
Manish.
maybe same time, Iqbal.
Okay.
Then,
Tomorrow at the same time we'll be having that session, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr.
Thank
Iqbal.
you. Good night.
Good night.